Yo, listen up. After 4 years of training people, training hundreds of people, we've come up with this amazing platform for you guys. Welcome to Zaio, an interactive platform with on-demand support where you can learn whatever digital skills you're looking for, starting with web development, okay? So guys, in this video, we're just going to talk about exactly how you can learn on the Zaio platform and how you can upgrade your skills, become a freelancer, become a software engineer, or just become, a developer in the higher ranks in the company, right? So let's do this, guys. So firstly, if you just click on Start Learning, you'll be able to actually see whatever courses we have on the platform. Now, guys, one of the biggest things that we've learned in the past 4 years in Zaio is that you learn by doing, right? Practical experience talks a lot, right? So in this platform, you're just going to find a whole bunch of courses where you're building real world projects, building like Netflix, building YouTube, building a Google Keep note-taking application, and so many more projects, guys. It's going to be amazing. You're going to be able to add a lot of projects into your portfolio. So what you can do is you can click on a course, for example, making websites feel alive with JavaScript, which is an introduction to JavaScript course. And then what you have to do is you can click on enroll this course, right? Once you enroll, you're going to see the platform look like this. Now the enroll button has changed to continue, and you'll be able to access the course, right? So for example, let's pick a random topic, for example, objects and creating an Instagram profile. So as you can see, guys, whatever we do in our courses, we try to make it as industry oriented as possible. All right, I mean, think about it. Don't you think concepts would make a lot more sense if you understand how Instagram or $1 billion company is using a concept? Then you can see that this video has loaded, and behind this video, if I click outside the video, you can see that there's this player, right? And there's this code environment. And what you can do is you can play around with this video player over here, and you can actually make it bigger or smaller, and you can actually continue to code while watching the video. You could even go to your code editor like this, and you could see that the video is going to be right there while you're coding, right? So you can expand it even more, you can make some more space, and you can see that the video player is right there. It's not going to leave you. You're not going to miss a single detail while coding, hence saving you a lot of time while learning how to code. How cool is that, guys? We've worked really hard to bring this to you guys and all our experience and training of hundreds of people in this platform so that we can train from hundreds of people to tens and thousands of people, okay? So you can actually come here, you can train, you can understand concepts. The instructor will be doing code pushes so that you'll be able to see whatever the instructor has pushed up. And one of the really cool things about this platform is there's a support button. Now, if you're ever stuck with programming, guys, programming can get extremely overwhelming. What you can do is you can click on support. And if you click on support, you're going to get access to a team of tutors who will be able to get on a call with you and assist you immediately. All right, that is one of the coolest things on the Zaio platform. So what are you waiting for, guys? It's just the price of a Netflix subscription, right? We've worked really hard to make this as affordable as possible and actually create results for you guys. All right, so definitely subscribe, access the courses, and I'll see you guys on the inside.